Hello, I'm Jim Ralston, Director of Channel Sales for Softing North America. Softing Incorporated is a longtime global technology company providing industrial communication solutions and advanced diagnostics to optimize customers' production facilities. Our theme is Get Connected, Stay Connected. Get Connected solutions provide easy methods for transferring machine data to cloud-based applications or SQL MES systems, and our Stay Connected product lines offer premier ways to do quick troubleshooting and analysis of Ethernet cables and network architectures. We've also recently released SmartLink, a solution for connecting popular asset management software to HART devices that are connected with Rockwell HART I/O. And so SmartLink helps expand plant PAX acceptance into these large process plants. And then we also are continuing to add to our popular network cable troubleshooting tools, and that's including our new Link Expert, which is a handheld, cost-effective way to troubleshoot Ethernet cables quickly, and Fiber Expert 700, which is a new tool for quickly and economically troubleshooting fiber optics. So often they're looking for the most modern ways to do data collection or visualization of their data, coming up with ways to improve efficiencies, and Softing has a vast amount of different approaches and technologies and techniques that are very field proven to support these OT/IT or cloud-based IoT systems. So we have premier integration into the Rockwell architecture, but the backplane communications, the compatibility with all levels of software and firmware versions that Rockwell supports, and then assurance that that customers can trust our solutions because of that long-term relationship.